best advice I ever got about starting a side hustle didn't come from a business coach. It came from a random Instagram post that I found on my 9-to-5 lunch break. I was exhausted, stuck in the same routine, and I know I needed something easier. That's when I actually found a side hustle that fits my schedule. But I made mistakes early on, and in this video, I'll show you the smarter way, including the trick that made all the difference. Starting an Instagram theme page is by far the easiest side hustle a 9-to-5er could start in 2025. So you got theme pages, people behind the scenes making thousands and millions of dollars. Like, you got this page right here, Wealth. Wealth is making so much money. They're charging like $50,000 per post because of their big audience. And like, the best part about this is they started for free. It's free to post on social media. These people don't even post themselves. Like, the people that own Wealth, they have a whole team to do this for them. You could get a whole team and you could outsource this work too for very cheap. So you don't have to be in Wealth. You could be in several different niches. Like, there's fitness pages, there's several different types of different pages that do things just like this. And this is way better than Etsy. Everybody's telling you to sell on Etsy this, Etsy that. But the thing about Etsy is there's too much competition. This, when you make your own theme page, you get to make your own loyal fans and your own loyal buyers and audience. So you stand out from the normal person selling on Etsy. So I'm also going to show you an example, how I'm doing this and how you could do this too in real time. So this is actually one of my several theme pages. So this is my credit theme page. So I've sold multitude and thousands of digital products from using this theme page. So the theme page is the driver. This is how we get all the sales. This is basically digital real estate. So when you make a theme page, you basically own digital real estate. So the way I was able to set my social medias up like this and basically have a theme page, because yes, this is a personal brand, but it's still a theme page because I'm talking about a specific pain point. So I talked about credit, helping people get funding, helping people get credit, certain tips and tricks. And this thing exploded. And I got thousands of different followers because all my content was structured and helping people with something that they struggled in. So whatever you don't have to necessarily be the best person or the best expert. You just have to know someone. You just have to know more than the average person who's struggling with their pain point. So if you've done something in your life and you solved it, or you've gotten some type of success, you could do this. And this is basically how you can go from McDonald's to making an extra $5,000 a month passively just from posting online, posting valuable content that helps your target audience. So you have to niche down and you have to find somebody that's having a problem, and basically you just have to give them a solution. Think of digital products as just basically digital solutions that people buy to solve their problems. That's all it is. But first, I picked a niche. So you want to pick something that you like and that you're passionate about, that you can keep making content on. So for example, I knew a lot about credit. So that was the niche that I did too, because I had a lot of experience in helping people. So it was an easy niche for me to monetize. And then I posted simple content. I posted 2 to 3 reels a day. I even posted carousels. And I also did story posts as well too. Stuff that would grab their attention, something that talks about the pain point that they're having. And then I linked my digital product that solved one problem for my audience. That could be a cheat sheet, a mini guide, a mini course. And the best part is I didn't need millions of followers to start seeing sales in the beginning. Avoid these mistakes. So where I messed up at first was overcomplicating everything. I focused too much on follower count, and I didn't focus on actually solving a problem for my audience and niching down. If I would have focused on just solving one specific problem for a certain type of person, I wouldn't have to rely on getting that many followers. See, the key is you don't need to go viral and get thousands of views, millions of views. You just need to find the right people who need that problem solved. So going viral actually doesn't help you, it actually hurts you. So the trick that changed it all was automation. Repurpose.io, hands down, is one of the best softwares to automate your business. With Repurpose.io, you can automate your theme page, so you could be on multiple different platforms and only have to worry about setting it up just once for the month. So you'll probably spend like an hour out of the month, scheduling out your posts for the month, and then that's all you have to do. You just sit back and watch. So it's going to save you a lot of time in the meantime, and it's going to help you scale your theme page faster. So guys, if you want to know how 9-to-5 workers are making $5,000 a month passively with tools like Canva and AI, make sure you check out this video right here. I'm out though. Peace.